Morning everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sam and today we are at Gainesville Cars and Coffee. Now I've never been here before. We rode down in the Supra with a good group, but there's some cool stuff already here and the event hasn't even started. So this is pretty cool. I've never seen one of these. This is, if I'm not mistaken, one of the final edition Aston Martin DB11 V12 cars and it is gorgeous. I love this green that Aston Martin does. And the carbon mirrors and the wing just looks so good. Got a real pretty 996. I'm a big fan of these. So this is cool to see. Wood shift knob in there. Sport exhaust. Got a lowered Lightning. And a final edition Focus RS, which you can tell by the red paint. So these are the ones we drove down with. A special edition Camaro SS. We got the Supra that we drove down in. A bag 392 wide body, a built C7, my friend's pretty heavily modified C6, C6, and there's also a Coyote swapped 06 Mustang and the Subaru over there, which is pretty cool. Speaking of the Mustang, right there.
It's got clip exhaust on it, it's got, they breaking it all right. What the Delta one right?
Coyote swap 6R80 3-valve body. Old AMC Eagle. There's a GT500 somewhere over there. Old 289 Mustang and a new GTI.
It's close, but yeah.
Morgan.
Yeah, for sure.
I think that's a plus 4.
Pretty much. Corella had like a.
Yeah, that's an old Morgan plus 4, I think.
I don't know, man. It was like.
That's good looking. Got a red Sport with a carbon hood. It's kind of cool.
Into the marketing stuff that you're advertising.
That's pretty cool. Little TVR. Got the GT500 and 350 right there with a Lund Racing modified GT as well. Ford GT Heritage Edition. Just random $500,000 car rolling through. Celica Supra. That's so cool. And the 86 next to it. Got the S14, S13, and a Paseo it looks like. I don't remember exactly which model that is. Never seen this before. I've never seen a dually Suburban 2500. That's kind of cool. The Street Hunter wing on that one. Another Mustang, a Porsche, a wide body Challenger. Got the Truno, the Evo. Alto works, but this is what I want. Mitsubishi FTO GP. I love these things. I want one so fucking bad. This is pretty cool. RX-7 air ride. That's not V8 swapped. That's real nice. Ooh, 135 IX. I love those. Dream car.
That's what I want next time.
R33 GTR. V-Spec, okay. With the Nismo wheels. Pretty cool lineup. We got the Thunder Knight Purple Metallic 2 Series. Estral Blue M5 V8. And then the Alpina BMW.
What downpipe did he say he had?
And then obviously I miss my old Z4, so this is cool to see. I had a first gen. These are really rare. You don't see Tesla Roadsters ever. That's so cool. The seats are real cool, and it's got the Lotus steering wheel. Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome. You never see these things. Boxster GTS. Java Green M3. That's awesome.
It's called Java Green?
Ducati Super Veloce. That's pretty cool.